Do you want relief from financial pitfalls?
We break all things of finance to help you reach your financial goals. In today's episode, we're diving into a really important topic: common financial pitfalls and how to steer clear of them. These are mistakes that many people fall, but the good news is, they can be avoided. Get right into it.
Pitfall number 1 is living beyond your means. It's easy to be tempted by shiny new things, the latest phone, the newest car. But if you're spending more than you're earning, you're setting yourself up for financial trouble. Steer clear by creating a realistic budget and sticking to it. Track your expenses to ensure you're not overspending. A simple rule to follow? The 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Next up, we have the failure to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, from car repairs to medical emergencies, and if you're not prepared, it can wipe out your savings or send you into debt. Avoid this. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. This will give you peace of mind when life throws unexpected expenses your way. Another common pitfall is accumulating credit card debt. Credit cards are convenient, but if you're not paying them off in full every month, the interest can add up quickly. The best way to steer clear? Only charge what you can pay off each month. If you already have debit, prioritize paying off the highest interest card first. Consider transferring balances to a lower rate card or consolidating your debit to save on interest. Many people put off saving for retirement, thinking they have plenty of time, but the longer you wait, the more you miss out on the power of compound interest. Start as early as possible, even if it's a small amount. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to get the full match. It's free money. And if you're self-employed, consider opening an IRA or solo 401k. The final pitfall is not having a financial plan. Without a plan, it's easy to drift and lose sight of your long-term goals. A financial plan helps you set goals, create a strategy for saving and investing, and stay on track. You don't need a fancy planner or an expensive advisor. You can start by writing down your goals and creating a step-by-step guide for reaching them. So there you have 5 common financial pitfalls and how to avoid them. Remember, it's never too late to turn things around and get on the right track. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.